Hi there, David here, and welcome to Wild Goose Adventures. It's going to be a warm summer's day, and so we're going to get in early and go down to the skate park and see if we can have a bit of a wing. Let's sheet on and give it a run. So it's going to be 33 degrees today, and it's beautiful. Not a cloud in the sky. I've got a couple of things to do first. First things first, we come and see my mum. Come and check out her digs. So here we are on the third floor. You have to see that. Overlooking the river. Beautiful, beautiful spot. Let's go and find Mum.
Certainly by no means cheap.
Here she is.
New research has revealed fast food
Knock, knock,
prices
knock.
shelf by as much as 77% in just.
So we've had a lovely time together,
Fantastic.
and it's good to see you, Mum.
Oh,
Looking well, and
wonderful that is. Looking forward to seeing that girl and sweet, isn't
okay, well, I'll let you go.
right.
Look,
Oh,
see you tomorrow.
really thanks. Look forward to it.
Bye. So we've been to see Mum, and now I think there might be a bit of breeze. Not enough to go foiling yet, but certainly for a roll. Let's sheet on and give it a go. The netball courts are the home of the Sunshine Coast Lightning, and on weekends it's really busy. But during the week, I pretty much have it to myself. The netball courts also back onto the Maroochy River, so if the wind's from the north, the northeast or the northwest, it comes straight across the river unencumbered by buildings and structures, leaving a good clean breeze, perfect to go for a wing. My wingding park. Nobody here, but there's plenty of space and a beautiful day. Let's go and check it out. Ooh, it's pretty warm. Just a beautiful open space to come and wing. And the best thing about these netball courts is they're really flat, and there's little gutters in there for the water to wash away in. But even despite that, check this out. It's just silky smooth and perfect to go for a roll. Let's rig up and sheet on. Pumping up to 5.5, love to use this sail, still probably my favourite, and there's a light northwesterly blowing, perfect to get out and amongst it. Let's sheet on, give it a run.
No need to cross my fingers, I've got stars in a balancing place. No need for lottery tickets, cause I feel my luck's about to change, yeah.
As it so often does, the breeze eventually kicked in, allowing me to pack up and head down to Golden Beach and catch up with John, Cindy, Andrew and the rest of the gang for a foil.
I open up the windows because I just want to see all of the beautiful things that life's got waiting for me. Yeah. Oh, dandelion blown away, wishes coming my way, living in the moment, I can't wait. Hey, 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 I've got a lot to say. Hey, 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 I'm paving my own way. Hey, 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 it's just a piece of paper. Hey, 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 I won't leave the world for later. Whoa, whoa, ooh, whoa, hey, 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 I've got a lot to say. Hey, 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 I'm paving my own way. Hey, 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 it's just a piece of paper. Hey, 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 I won't leave the world for later. Hey, 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 I've got a lot to say. Hey, 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 I'm paving my own way. Hey, 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 it's just a piece of paper. Hey, 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 I won't leave the world for later.
So there you have it, a great day foiling, great day winging. It was a good time to spend a couple of hours with my mother, and all in all, just a lot of fun. The stoke is real down here, I've got to tell you, at Golden Beach. The people are great and so friendly, but it's time to go home. So that's it for this Wild Goose Adventures. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, that'd be totally awesome. Until next time, smooth sailing.